In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the exact size and position of objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or a creative project, knowing how to precisely control the elements on your slides can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Go ahead and open the application on your computer. Once it's up and running, you have two options. You can either open an existing PowerPoint presentation that you're working on, or start fresh with a new one. Feel free to add all your necessary photos, tables, and other content that you want to include in your slides. Now that you have your presentation open, take a moment to decide which shape, picture, or text box you'd like to resize or reposition. Click on the object to select it. This will allow us to access the tools we need to make precise adjustments. Next, navigate to the Format tab in the ribbon at the top of your window. Once you're in the Format tab, look for the Size and Position option in the Size group. This is a crucial feature for customizing the dimensions and placement of your chosen object. In the pane that appears, you'll see a Size section. This is where you can manually input the exact height and width measurements you desire. Take your time to carefully type in the numbers that best suit your design or layout needs. This feature lets you have complete control over the size of your objects, allowing for a more polished and consistent appearance across your slides. There's also an option to lock aspect ratio. What does this mean? By selecting this, you ensure that any resizing you do will maintain the object's proportions. This is especially useful if you're resizing images and you want to avoid distortion. Think of it as a helpful safeguard to keep your visuals looking their best. Next, we'll talk about distribution, which is handy when working with multiple objects. For evenly spacing multiple items horizontally, choose Distribute Horizontally. Similarly, if you need uniform vertical spacing, opt for Distribute Vertically. These tools are excellent for achieving a well-organized layout with minimal effort. Finally, to set the specific location of the object on your slide, turn your attention to the Position section of the pane. You can enter exact values for both the horizontal and vertical positions. This feature provides an impressive level of precision, ensuring your objects land exactly where you want them on the slide. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to set the exact size and position of your objects in PowerPoint, allowing for finely tuned control over your presentation's layout. Enjoy experimenting and watch how your slides transform with these simple yet powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.